Hey everybody, it's me, Grandmaster Phil, funniest unfunny guy on the planet, comedic genius bar none. And
What did one flea say to the other?
I asked you guys to send in videos if you want, and I can put it on my Roku channel. So the dog,
He said, do you want
Fox,
to walk or take the dog?
Fox,
Did you like it?
the cutest dog, sent this video in.
What did one flea say to the other? Give up? This is a funny one. He said, do you want to walk or take the dog?
What did one flea say to the other? Do you want to walk or
What did one
take
flea say to the other?
the dog? So I hope everybody goes to Fox, the cutest
This
dog.
is a funny one. He said, do you want to walk or take the dog?
They're an awesome friend of the channel, and just enjoy it.
What did one flea say to the other?
And send yours in, and I'll do the same thing. I'll put it out there.
Give up?
Even
This is a funny one.
the show's
He
going
said,
to the dogs.
do you want to walk or take the dog? Did you like it?
All right, thanks, Fox. I appreciate it,
What
buddy.
did one flea say to the
Peace
other?
out, everyone.